What is going on, guys? In today's video we're gonna go over all the cool cars in my inventory because I've been buying a lot of cool stuff. And late last night I got one of the rarest Corvettes I've heard of. I'm gonna show you guys that. We're gonna test drive it, we're gonna look around it. But I have a lot of cool stuff right now, like this 87 Camaro. I just took this on trade. Now, the guy's family owned this car since new. So what I say is somebody bought it brand new in 1987. They kept it in the family since then. It was originally a 6-cylinder, which is boo. But they were smart enough to swap a V8 in it. So it's got a 350 V8. Like I said, I just took it on trade. So paint's pretty bad, interior's a little rough. But what it's got going for it, it runs and drives perfect. You turn the car on, just idles perfect. Drive. I took it on trade. I didn't even drive it. I drove it about a week after, and I was like, well, no wonder why we took it on trade. Car drives excellent. So something like this, if you want a running, driving kind of project as far as cosmetic goes, that's the perfect one for you. That one we got priced like right around $5,000 or so. This Suburban, it's a Z71 4x4. I believe, I don't know, I've owned this car 10 years. Let's see this one right here. It was my mom's car for 10 years. We're gonna put this one for sale here pretty soon. Yeah, 4x4, all leather, nice ride. My dad bought my mom an Escalade, so we're selling her car. Now, Thunderbirds. Love or hate them? Comment down below if you like Thunderbirds or love them. I personally love them. That's why I got 2 of them. Actually ended up repoing this one. That's a long story. Guy couldn't make the payments on it. But a lot of people don't understand that these tops come off and then you have a soft top convertible underneath it, which is really cool. And they're small V8s, they're 2 doors, and they're kind of retro looking. I like them. They drive great. Let me know what you guys think. And while you're in the comment section, do you guys like this color? Atomic orange, kind of like a copper longhorn orange color. I love it. My dad loves it. It's a very unique color. It's going to take somebody very unique to want that to stand out. This is the Z-Sit 51 package. It's a 2007 model. We got this one priced pretty good on my website, so go check that one out. Power top convertible heads-up display. Now take a look at this car. I'm going to show you guys the rare car right after this, so keep watching. But this one's probably even cooler. This is a 1976 Stingray. So last year the Stingrays, of the real Stingrays, and it's a 1 owner from 1976, 1 owner, found in a barn, and I have the whole video of them finding in the barn. It's got 28,000 original miles on it. I have the original title, original paperwork. This car's got all the documentation. The interior is like brand new. Tires are brand new. This car is completely original. Now I could probably go and like doll up the engine, make it look new, but it's got that original factor to it that I want to keep. The only thing not original to the car is the bumpers. So on these models, if you let the car sit for a long time, they disintegrate, like literally fall apart. So the bumpers are different. So the shades of silver are a tad bit off if you're looking very close on the bumpers. But let's take a look at the rarest car I bought in a very long time. It's a 2009 model Corvette GT1 package. So what is GT1? Well, if you're American, you got no clue because you don't watch Le Mans races or anything like that, because we watch NASCAR. But if you're foreign or competitive racer, the 24-hour Le Mans is a very, probably the biggest race ever. And they made this in 2009. Look at the paint scheme. Look, you got your black, you got your silver, you got your yellow, and then up here you got Corvette Racing with all the flags. I mean, this is, I've never even heard of this package. They only made 125 of these, and it looks so cool. So they did this because they won all these races. Oh, it says right there on the side, 2001, 2002, 2004, 2005, 2006. So to make it commemorate all of their wins, all of their specialty stuff, they put it into this car, made a special package, very limited production. Now, they made them in yellow with black stripes, or they made them black with yellow stripes. Only 125. Let that sink in. Only 125. Look at the interior. Look at this. You got yellow stitching all in there. You got GT1 embroidered. I mean, super cool car. We're going to take it for a drive right now. I do know the radio doesn't work. And like I said, we just got this car last night, so I haven't even drove it. We're about to figure that part out for ourselves right here. So let me get this camera. Let the camera girl get in there. And let's go take this car for a ride. So we're gonna find out. The car is supposed to be all stock and nothing done to it, so we're gonna find that out right here. I do love all the yellow stitching. Again, radio does not work. Fires right up. We got an owner's manual in here. We got an owner's manual. Heads up display is working, so that's good. Car's got 38,021 miles on it. 38,021 miles. Extremely low mileage. Seats are real plush. Let's take it around the block. And you're driving it, this hood looks really cool with that color. I mean, just really pops and separates. So, let's go. My dad got some power to it. Oh man, this thing runs nice. Got heated seats, which in this colder weather, which we live in South Texas, so this is our only week of winter, I may use them. But yeah, this car is like brand new. I paid a lot of money for it. And again, I never heard of this package. So when I saw the car come up for sale, I started doing some research. I was like, well, no wonder why I didn't hear it. They only made 125 of them. So I thought I'd snag it up. And if somebody's got a Corvette collection, you're gonna want this car. Or if you're just starting your Corvette collection or just want something unique, this is the one for you. I'm gonna price this one under $30,000, which, to be honest, I think the car's worth much more than that, but I'm gonna price it under $30,000. I'll post it on my website probably first part of next week because the weather's kind of bad right now. But oh, police! I was gonna give some gas, but there's an old copper there. But brakes are great, acceleration is perfect, shifted through all the gears. AC does work because I checked it last night, but no power to the radio, so maybe a fuse or what have you. I'll look into that. Car just got here last night. But super cool car. I'm excited for it. What do you guys like better? You like the old school 76? Or do you like this one right here, the 2009? So 2009, it does have the LS3 engine in it. So it's got your 6.2 liter, the engine everybody wants. It sounds nice. Stock exhaust, but it sounds a lot better than some. Again, braking is perfect on the car. AC is ice cold, which I'm gonna turn it off because it's cold outside. But yeah, I'm super excited about this car. Can't wait to put it online, see who buys it, because it's gonna take somebody very unique. But look at my car lot right here. Look at all these cool cars I got. Corvettes, 44, 2 C5s, both of them 04s, which are the best year. 76, then I got trucks and vans and all that kind of stuff. So, take a look at this engine. And before I open up the engine, if you look super close, I mean, the paint's just so cool on this car. But if you look super close, you see the Punisher emblem in here. That skull is like right in there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you got the Punisher symbol there. So again, this car's not been detailed. I just got it last night. I think this is a little weak. So if you're watching this video, shocks are a little weak. Pretty cool valve covers. Oh, it says something right there. Right there on the, you can't see it. Yeah, come over here. It's got some sticker over there. Parkway Chevrolet. So it's got the same sticker on it from when it was new. So that's pretty cool right there. And then it's got Corvette Racing on this side. So still says Corvette Racing here. You got your drilled rotors. You got a little small wing back here. But super cool car. 125 made, and it's for sale right here at Stingray Alley in Corpus Christi, Texas. So thank you guys for watching. Again, I do have some other cars. If you guys live here locally, we offer in-house financing. Got a Ford Ranger, a work van, a lifted truck. Well, come look at this lifted truck. A guy that watches my YouTube videos, he was gonna sell his truck, so he brought it to us first, and we made a deal, and we got it bought and paid him the same day. So we got a truck over here. It's got brand new tires, new rims, lifted, pretty cool truck. Here's a work van. I'll offer financing on that. Truck hood needs to be painted. Clear coat's coming off. But other than that, runs and drives excellent. Little Cruise, Hummer that my dad loves. So yeah, we got all kinds of stuff, guys. Come on over to Stingray Alley. Let's get you a car. Let's get you one of these cool cars. And comment down below which is your favorite, okay? Let me know if you like Thunderbirds, the color on that orange Corvette, and if you like the old school or the new school. And what do you guys think about these rims, actually? This Corvette's got 22-inch rims on it, and 20s in the front. So, do they look good on there? Do they look bad? I don't know. Let me know, and maybe I'll change them out. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.